Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the lag issues encountered when editing expressions using FaceIK for Maya. Click the Settings button to open the Settings window. Turn on the Show Debug Info switch, then click Apply. Drag a handle and the script editor's output window will display the runtime status of the IK algorithm, including the time of each update and the update frequency. In this demonstration, the update time is approximately 370 milliseconds with an update frequency about 2.5 times per second. This is quite slow. Now let's turn on the Add GUI Gate switch and the Close GUI Gate switch. Click Apply. Disable the FaceIK tool, then enable it again. You will see the message, "The GUI Gate node has been inserted in the output window of the script editor." Now let's drag a handle again. You'll see the operation becomes incredibly smooth, with the GUI controls on the face control board updating in real time with remarkable fluidity. These are the results of the IK algorithm calculating instantly. By inserting a GUI gate node between the GUI controls and the riglogic node and disabling this gate node, we ensure that updates to the GUI controls do not trigger the evaluation of the riglogic node. The riglogic node originates from the MetahumanForMaya plugin. It is responsible for converting values from GUI controls into facial bone movements to drive facial expressions. The performance of the riglogic node in Maya falls short compared to that in Unreal Engine. This becomes apparent when dragging the GUI controls within the face control board to edit facial expressions. When using FaceIK to maintain natural facial expressions, the values of numerous GUI controls are updated simultaneously. The performance of the riglogic node will significantly decrease at this point, which is the cause of the lag. We request that the Unreal Engine team enhance the performance of the riglogic node within the MetahumanForMaya plugin to match its equivalent in Unreal Engine. Additionally, we request the addition of an array type attribute to enable FaceIK to set all raw control values simultaneously rather than individually. This would more efficiently leverage Maya's dependency graph update mechanism. Before that, the solution to alleviate this issue was to use a better CPU to slightly reduce the lag. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.